My name's Taylor Schultz, and I'm here with US Chemical talking about their new purple premium sandpaper. Best sandpaper I've ever tried so far. If you guys haven't tried it, make sure you give it a shot. What we're gonna do is demo on this fender today. Just a couple different processes of using it, and some finishing, some roughing, and we're just gonna get it going. So we're gonna simulate a repair on a fender. This is a perfectly good fender, and we have to make a dent, so we're gonna go ahead and smash a dent. Yeah, it works. So now that we have our impact area, our dent, we're gonna go ahead and start roughing it in with some 80 grit. This is probably my favorite grit in this line, just because if anybody's ever used 80 grit, it just doesn't last very long. But this stuff, for some reason, seems to last forever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna simulate a repair here. We're gonna go ahead and sand it, then we're gonna lead in some body filler. You can see how much of the grit is actually still there. And I just sanded this down to the metal. So you can see that it actually, and you can feel it as well, it's barely even used. It feels like it's almost brand new. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna feather this back with a higher grit, probably 180, and then we're gonna start applying our filler. So the finishing part of any project is the most important. It's what the customer sees. It's what makes any project look like it's $1 million. You can do the worst paint job in the world, but as long as you finish it correctly, it's gonna look like $1 million. With this new purple premium paper, you save a lot of steps by using this as your final rough and cut for polishing. So what we could do is we can start with 1,000 or 15, or if you're even doing a blend on a panel, you can use that as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of this and we're just gonna show you how to start with the polishing. Once you get up to like a 1,500 grit, you can use some wet dry, 2,000, 2,500, and go from there and polish it. So let's go ahead and do that. I started off with the purple premium doing the repair, then I finished it with the finished sandpaper line, the 15 and the 1,000 grit. The nice thing about it is you can use this all the way through the entire process. You don't have to buy another brand to do this. You don't have to buy another product to do that. You could start with one product all the way through and be totally satisfied with it. All the grits offer longevity, which is amazing in sandpaper. That's what you want. You don't want to be tearing off pieces and putting new ones on. That's money. So this product guarantees that it's just going to be a longevity, and I don't really know what else I want to talk about.